woman. I don't believe you, you're not the truth. No one could look as good as you. Mercy.
So you guys know that I am totally obsessed with rockabilly, vintage-ish, 50s, 40s, 60s style. So with that being thrown out there, let's get started with the makeup. First thing you want to start off with is a clean base, a smooth foundation. So to get that perfect porcelain looking skin, I just do my everyday foundation routine. After I have prepped my eyes with a primer, I'm jumping into the eye makeup. So back then, the eye makeup was kept really light with focus on the eyeliner. So as for eyeshadows, I just start off by applying a nuder from my Naked 3 palette above my crease line and blending it out well. And I also applied this shadow just to the outer part of my lower lash line. After that, I'm applying a white cream makeup all over my lid, then setting that with a shimmery white shadow. And now over to the fun part, the eyeliner. And I know that some of you may dread this step in pretty much every eye makeup there is out there, but remember that practice makes it perfect, and something to think about to make it easier to apply is to do it in small, steady motions, and also to go from eye to eye so you don't finish one eye first and then go back to the other one. Just jump between the eyes, so you do a little bit on each eye at a time, so you just follow the eyes along. And another tip is to draw the wing so you don't draw it over the crease line, because that will make it bend like a banana. After that, I'm applying a gel liner to my tight line and just lightly dabbing it along my lower lash line. And I'm sorry if you heard that, there was my dog walking by. Then I just finish off my eye makeup with some mascara. And of course, we need to have the signature red lip. However, I decided to put a little spin to it. So first, I just line my lips with a red liner, and then I'm filling them in, except for the middle part of my lips. This I'm filling in with a white eyeliner. This is just to highlight my lips a little bit. Then I'm taking a nude pinkish lipstick. Then I'm applying the lipstick with a lip brush all over my lips and really mixing it well together to get a more settled lip shade. So now let's move over to the hair. And please cut me some slack on my hair because I know it's terrible looking. I haven't fixed this since I got pregnant, so yeah, it's horrible. But I actually do have a hair appointment in a few weeks, so I'm really excited about that. But anyways, let's go back to this hairdo. After I have brushed it, I'm applying a shimmery root lifting hair gel to give my hair some more volume. Then to give it even more volume and texture, I'm taking a teasing comb and tease my hair. And of course, if you want to give it some more texture and make it stay in place even more, then you can just add some hairspray. Then you want to part your hair in a slight side part and then start on one side of your head. And then you want to take 2 strands of hair and then start to twist them. But each time you twist, you want to add some more hair from the head. Obviously from the head. I don't know why I said that. But you want to add some hair into the twist and then work your way back towards your back of your head and then secure it with some bobby pin. Then do the same thing to the other side. Once you have done that, you should have all of your hair in the back of your head. So now you just want to take a section of hair and start to tease it, and then you want to roll it up towards your head. And this part is actually easier if you curl it and take smaller sections. I did not curl it, and that's how I found out it will probably be easier if you curl the hair before you do this, because that will kind of make the hair flow better. But yeah, so just tease it, roll it up towards your head and secure it with lots of bobby pin. And as I mentioned a little bit earlier, of course you can pull the hair a little bit to make it poof a little bit, make it stand out, give it some more volume, and also apply as much hairspray as you feel you need so it won't fall out throughout the day. And that is basically my take over retro hair and makeup. Now let's move over to my favorite part, the outfit. So as for my outfit, I'm wearing some really cute black and white ballerina flats that has a vintagey feel to them. And my dress that I got from Jet Set Trend, I will put a link to their website in the description bar below, so you can go and check it out if you would like to find some really cute retro vintagey dresses and clothes and accessories, because they have pretty much everything. And that is basically my completed look. And if you like to see my vlog from this sunny retro day, then go and check out my vlog channel. It's Nadia's Life. I will also put a link to that down below, so you can go and check it out. And with that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!